Hey everyone and welcome back. Fathom automatically generates AI meeting summaries after every call, but the free version has an important limit. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, install the Fathom Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. It works with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Once installed, Fathom joins your meetings as a visible bot. It records, transcribes, and generates summaries automatically. After your meeting ends, wait about 30 seconds. Open the Fathom recap page. You will see your AI summary with key points, decisions, and action items. You get access to premium AI summaries with action item detection for your first 5 meetings each month. After 5 meetings, you still get a chronological summary, which includes the transcript and a basic recap, but no smart insights or action items. The good news is recordings and transcripts are completely unlimited even on the free plan. To share your summary, click the share button at the top of the recap page and generate a public link. Pro tip: save your 5 premium summaries for your most important client meetings or sales calls each month. And that is it: 5 premium AI summaries per month, then basic recaps, unlimited recordings forever. If you use Fathom, let me know how many meetings you have monthly in the comments. See you in the next one.